Prabhupada states in the purport that we just read, that a devotee's highest position is in preaching all over the world. That's not the complete sentence. A devotee's highest position is in preaching all over the world the glories of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, the devotees are actually the representatives of the Supreme Lord. Not because they preach exactly, or to be more exact, because they preach the glories of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So, if we stick to that point of preaching the glories of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then one becomes the representative of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. It's very bold to take that position of being respected in this way, but the formula is very simple, very straightforward. Srila Prabhupada made it very clear. Everything Srila Prabhupada gave us is very clear to understand. If we go into abstrusities, there may be some points, but the basic understanding is very simple. We simply have to preach on the basis of Bhagavad Gita as it is, and then we become the representative of Krishna